Hello students, in our previous class we were discussing about calculation of empirical formula and molecular formula. So next question number 2, it's given like this: a compound with a molecular mass of 34 gram per mole is known to contain 5.88% of hydrogen and 94.12% of oxygen. Find the molecular formula of this compound. Here the percentage composition of two elements are given in the compound. That compound has only two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. It has only two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, H and O. But the percentage of hydrogen is 5.88, percentage of oxygen is 94.12. So what is the first step? I think you might have known this. The first step is the step 1. We have to convert these percentages into mass. It's a direct conversion. Straight away you write 5.88% into gram. How do you write? 5.88% is equal to 5.88 gram, because total percentage it is calculated for 100 parts. Okay, out of 100 gram, 5.88 gram of hydrogen is present and 94 gram of oxygen is present, because 94.12% that is equivalent to 94.12 gram, not 94 exactly, it's 94.12 gram. So this is about the masses of two elements present in the compound. Next, what is step 2? Convert these masses into moles, mole values. We have to convert these masses into moles, number of moles. How do you convert? Number of moles, N is equal to mass divided by molar mass. You know this formula. Okay, so what is the mass of hydrogen? It's 5.88 gram. So what is the molar mass of hydrogen? Molar mass is nothing but mass of 1 mole of hydrogen atom, which is known as atomic mass in gram also. Atomic mass in gram. So it's how much? 1 gram. So answer is 5.88 moles. Similarly, number of moles of oxygen. Mass of oxygen is 94.12 divided by 16. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So that's equal to 5.88 moles. Here the number of moles of hydrogen and oxygen both are equal, which are equal to 5.88 moles. Next, step number 3, we have to get the simple ratios. Okay, how do you calculate it? Simple ratios can be calculated by dividing each mole value by a simplest number amongst these two. So in these two numbers, both the numbers are equal, the mole values are equal, so 5.88, you divide these two mole values by 5.88 and you will get the simple ratio as 1. This is also equal to 1. So after getting simple ratios, what we have to do? You write the empirical formula. How do you write the empirical formula? It's very simple. You write the elements given side by side and you write these ratios as their subscripts, like H1, O1. This is your empirical formula. Okay, this fetches 2 marks. Next, step 4, calculation of molecular formula. So how do you calculate the molecular formula? So again here we have 2 steps. First, let us calculate the empirical formula mass. So empirical formula mass is how much? 17 gram. How? Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So that's equal to 17 gram. Now you find integer n. N is equal to what? Molar mass divided by empirical formula mass. What is the molar mass? It's given as 34 gram. 34 gram divided by empirical formula mass. How much it is? 17 gram. Your answer is equal to 2. So n is equal to how much? N is equal to 2. So what is the molecular formula? How do you calculate it? Molecular formula is equal to empirical formula into n. Okay, no need to write this formula. Straight away you can write the answer. Molecular formula is equal to, what is empirical formula? H1O1 into n, that is equal to 2 H2O2. This is known as hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. Okay, this is important for 4 marks. Understood? This is question number 2. Next one, question number 3. Determine the molecular formula of an oxide of iron in which the mass percentage of iron and oxygen are 69.9% and 30% respectively. Understood? Given that the molar mass of the oxide is 159.8 gram per mole. When oxide is given, oxide of iron is given to you, and percentage of what? Iron is how much? 69.9%. Percentage of oxygen, how much it is? 30%. Understood? So now what is the first step? What is the first step? First step is to write percentages into masses. You have to convert percentage into mass. It's very simple. 69.9%, which is equivalent to 69.9 gram. 30.1% is equal to 30.1 gram. This is the first step. So what is the next step? You have to get the mole values. The number of moles we have to find. How? Atomic mass. So Fe is equal to, number of moles of Fe is equal to mass divided by the atomic mass of iron. You try to remember the atomic mass of iron Fe, that is 56 grams. Sometimes it is given as 55.85 gram also. So 55.8 gram is exact atomic mass of iron. No need to remember this. You just remember 56 gram. That's all. So 69.9 divided by 56, that's equal to 1.25 moles. Next, oxygen. What is the mass? 30.1 gram divided by 16, that is 1.89. So this is how you get the number of moles. So what is the next step? Next step is to get the simple ratios. How? You divide these mole values by a smallest number amongst the two. Which is the smallest number? Out of 1.25 and 1.89, 1.25 is the smallest number. You divide both the mole values by their 1.25. So how much you will get? 1.25 divided by 1.25, that's equal to 1. Next, 1.89 divided by 1.25, that is equal to 1.5 you will get. Here you are not getting the simple whole number ratio. Here you got 1 as a simple whole number, but 1.5 is not a whole number. So it's a fraction. You cannot convert like this. It's not equal to 2 or it's not equal to 3. Okay, it's not possible to write straight away as 3 or it's equal to 2. So what we have to do? So in order to convert this number into a whole number, you divide it by, you multiply these numbers by another whole number which converts these numbers into whole numbers. Say 1.25 is given. If you multiply this by 1, no use. This is 1.5. If you multiply this by 2, so it will be 2 and this will be 3. Now you got whole number. So you go on multiplying these fractions by a whole number. So till how multiply madbeku till you get a whole number. So now you got a whole number 2 and this is 3, and empirical formula is very simple. FeO23, Fe2O3. This is your empirical formula. Next, last step, calculation of molecular formula, step number 4. How? Empirical formula mass you calculate. Fe2, there are 2 Fe atoms. Okay, its molecular mass is 56. So 2 into 56 divided by 3 into 16, because atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So its empirical formula mass is 160 gram per mole. The last one, you have to get the value of N. How? Molar mass divided by empirical formula mass. What is the molar mass? 159.8 gram per mole. So now it's approximately equal to 1. So molecular formula becomes equal to Fe2O3 into 1, that is equal to Fe2O3. Okay, these are the very important problems that will be asked for your annual examination. Okay, I will give some assignment questions for this also. Okay, thank you.